out again. It's a redskin.
What if your home could fight back before danger even enters the door? From high-tech drones to mind-bending deterrents, these 25 home defense gadgets will blow your mind, and maybe even send intruders running. Let's kick it off with something straight out of a sci-fi thriller. The Sublethal Remote Gun is like having a remote-controlled guardian on standby. This gadget allows you to defend your home from a distance, using non-lethal ammunition such as rubber bullets or pepper rounds. Controlled via app or remote, it's built to stop threats without taking lives. Whether it's guarding a garage, a warehouse, or a rural property, this device gives you defense on demand. It's programmable, motion-activated, and can even issue verbal warnings. The presence alone can be enough to make an intruder think twice. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want a home security system that can actually shoot back? Now imagine this, a drone that takes off the moment your perimeter is breached. Meet the Sunflower Beehive Autonomous Security Drone. It's a self-launching, self-charging quadcopter that patrols your yard with live 4K video streamed straight to your phone. No need to hire security, this drone never sleeps. It learns the layout of your property, identifies vehicles and people, and sends alerts in real time. Plus, it redocks and charges itself automatically, so it's always ready for its next flight. It's like having a digital watchdog in the sky, and it's smarter than you think. But let's take things to the next level. Imagine someone breaking in only to be swallowed in a cloud of thick, blinding fog. That's exactly what the Protect Anti-Burglary fog cannon does. This wall-mounted device floods an entire room with dense, harmless fog in seconds, reducing visibility to almost zero. It confuses and disorients intruders, giving you or the authorities precious minutes to respond. It's non-lethal, safe around pets and family, and works faster than you can shout, "Get out!" Think of it as your personal smokescreen for home defense. When they can't see, they can't steal. Sometimes the best defense is psychological. Enter the Tripwire fake landmine alarm. This rugged camouflage device is designed to simulate the sound of an explosive when triggered, using a loud, blank cartridge to startle anyone who crosses its path. It's not lethal, but the sound alone is enough to send most intruders running for the hills. Perfect for rural properties, campsites, or even garden perimeters, this gadget is pure intimidation without the legal headaches. It's loud, it's clever, and it makes intruders rethink every step. Now let's upgrade your entire perimeter with brains and brawn. The Zero Vision Fog plus AI surveillance system combines two powerful layers of protection. AI-enhanced surveillance cameras that detect motion, faces, and anomalies, plus a fog generator that instantly fills rooms with thick, disorienting mist. It's all controlled from your phone, and the system learns your daily patterns to reduce false alarms. If someone enters when they shouldn't, they're met with total visual blackout. Meanwhile, the cameras record everything with crystal clarity. It's like giving your house its own nervous system, with reflexes sharper than most humans. But what if the intruder's already at your door? The Phantom Defender Door Barricade gives you time. A lot of it. This isn't just a basic latch or a deadbolt, it's a full-blown mechanical brace that reinforces your door with industrial strength. Designed for rapid deployment, it attaches at multiple angles to resist forced entry, even with battering rams. Whether you're home alone or securing a panic room, this gadget transforms any entryway into a fortress. It's invisible from outside, but rock solid when it counts. You've probably seen those cheap portable door locks, but the Adelock takes that concept to a whole new level. It's a compact, TSA-compliant, heavy-duty lock that adds serious reinforcement to any door, whether it's your front door, hotel room, or even a bedroom. Unlike basic travel locks, this one uses aircraft-grade aluminum and an innovative wedge system to prevent the door from opening even if the original lock is compromised. No tools needed, no installation required. Just slide it in and boom! Instant peace of mind in your pocket. Now here's one you'd never expect. The Gun Hiding Headboard. This discreet home defense solution is built into your bed's headboard with hidden compartments that blend seamlessly with your furniture. Whether you store a firearm, pepper spray, or taser inside, it gives you fast access in a critical moment, without alerting anyone. It locks magnetically, opens silently, and is designed for both safety and surprise. The best part, it doesn't scream tactical. It looks like high-end decor with a secret that only you know. But if you want a gadget that fights back without lifting a finger, meet the Orbit Yard Enforcer Motion-Activated Water Sprinkler. This clever device uses infrared motion sensors to detect animals or humans, then blast them with a strong, sudden spray of water. It's harmless but super effective at stopping trespassers in their tracks. Plus, it's eco-friendly, pet-safe, and doubles as a regular sprinkler when not in defense mode. Whether it's night prowlers or curious critters, this water-powered warrior has your backyard covered. Let's talk about smart, discreet defense, literally built into your walls. The less lethal wall mount pepper spray device is a hidden hero. Designed to look like part of your home structure, it sits quietly until motion sensors detect unauthorized entry. Then, it sprays a powerful cloud of military-grade pepper solution directly at the intruder. It covers an impressive area and causes immediate eye, nose, and throat irritation, buying you time while neutralizing the threat. Think of it as an invisible shield you install once and forget, until it does its job flawlessly. Next up is something you'd expect in a paintball match, but it's all about defense. The PBM-22 C Paintball Landmine is a clever, non-lethal perimeter defense gadget that discharges a colorful, high-impact burst when triggered by pressure or motion. It marks intruders with bright paint and delivers a nasty surprise that's impossible to ignore. It's perfect for marking trespassers or scaring off would-be burglars before they get close. And because it's reusable and reloadable, it's cost-effective protection you can deploy again and again. Now let's light up the night, literally. The Lethonia lighting 9600 lumen floodlight is like turning on the sun in your yard. With ultra-bright LEDs and motion detection, it automatically illuminates any movement with blinding intensity. It doesn't just scare off intruders, it makes hiding impossible. The 9600 lumens cover a massive area, making it ideal for driveways, backyards, and garages. And since it's energy efficient, it won't spike your power bill. This floodlight doesn't play around. It turns darkness into daylight and sends a clear message. This home is protected. Ever wish your mirror could do more than just reflect? The Tactical Walls Hidden Mirror Safe does exactly that. At first glance, it's just a sleek wall-mounted mirror. But give it a gentle slide and boom! Hidden behind it is a fully customizable storage area for your defensive tools. Firearms, tasers, pepper sprays, you name it. It's magnetic, lockable, and blends perfectly with your home's aesthetic. No wires, no noise, just clean concealment. It turns everyday furniture into a clever layer of defense you'll be glad you have. Now imagine a sprinkler system that doesn't just water your garden, it saves your house from going up in flames. The F.A.C.E. Wildfire Suppression. Sprinkler system is a roof-mounted high-pressure sprinkler designed to protect your home from approaching wildfires. It detects high heat and flames nearby and activates automatically, creating a water curtain around your property. Perfect for wildfire-prone areas, this system buys firefighters valuable time and could be the difference between disaster and a miracle. If you live anywhere near a dry zone, this one's a game changer. And speaking of fast responses, meet the Saber door handle alarm flashbang. This compact device attaches to your doorknob and arms instantly. If someone tries to open the door without disarming it, it sets off a blinding flash and deafening siren in milliseconds. It's a personal shock and awe system designed to disorient intruders and alert everyone nearby. It doesn't just scare, it stuns. Perfect for apartments, dorms, or travel use, it's portable protection with serious bite. Let's start with something that belongs in both a classroom and a combat zone. The Bullet Blocker Bulletproof Whiteboard. On the surface, it's just a functional whiteboard for everyday use. but hidden inside is a NIJ Level 3A ballistic shield capable of stopping most handgun rounds. In emergencies, it transforms into mobile cover. Schools, offices, even home study rooms benefit from this dual-purpose design. You get a useful piece of furniture that doubles as instant defense when things get serious. Smart, subtle, potentially life-saving. Now let's pivot to your digital front door. The BitDefender box. 2 Cybersecurity Hub is your virtual home defense system. While physical gadgets protect your house, this device guards everything connected to your Wi-Fi. From smart locks to security cameras and thermostats, it shields all IoT devices from hacking, phishing, malware, and spying. Setup is simple, and it monitors your network in real time. The best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to use it. Just plug it in and let BitDefender handle the threats silently in the background. Want to double down on digital security? The Norton Core Secure Router isn't just a router, it's a stylish fortress for your internet connection. With a futuristic orb design, it blends right into modern homes, but inside it's packing serious security features. It monitors for suspicious behavior, blocks malicious sites, and even alerts you when your devices act strangely. And it doesn't sacrifice speed. This thing is blazing fast. If you're using smart gadgets for home protection, this router helps make sure they don't become the weak link. You've probably seen it in memes, but the salt gun is no joke. This less lethal launcher uses compressed air to fire rounds filled with powdered pepper irritant. It's shaped like a bright, non-threatening firearm, but when deployed, it delivers a serious punch, causing temporary blindness, difficulty breathing, and intense discomfort. It's designed for defense without deadly force. Perfect for home protection or car carry, and it requires no firearm license in most areas. It's non-lethal, but absolutely effective. And that cloud of pepper dust? Brutal for anyone on the wrong side of it. Now for something straight out of a futuristic weapons lab, the MP155 Ultima Smart Shotgun. This isn't just a firearm, it's an AI-powered tactical tool. With an integrated computer, built-in camera, and heads-up display, this Russian-engineered shotgun gives you real-time targeting data and performance tracking. It even connects to your smartphone for analytics. Whether you're monitoring activity on a large property or just love cutting-edge gear, this is a high-tech defender that means business. Tactical, intelligent, and lethal when it has to be. And when you need to light up a threat like it's the middle of the day, meet the Astralux WP3 tactical flashlight. Don't be fooled by the size. This palm-sized powerhouse fires a beam over 2 kilometers long. Yes, you read that right. It uses LEP technology for an ultra-focused, laser-like white beam that can blind intruders, signal for help, or light up entire fields. Made with aerospace-grade aluminum and waterproof to boot, it's your night defense tool that doubles as a tactical blinder. First up, it looks like a pen, writes like a pen, but it hits like a beast. The Pavashot Penshot Pen is a disguised defense tool that packs a non-lethal punch in your pocket. With a twist or pull, it transforms from a normal-looking pen into a compressed gas-powered mini-launcher that fires irritant projectiles. Think of it as the James Bond of personal safety gear. Sleek, silent, and unexpected. Great for home defense, office carry, or travel protection, especially in places where traditional weapons aren't an option. Next is the Yellow Jacket Taser phone case, protection that hides in plain sight. This gadget is an actual smartphone case with a built-in 7 million volt stun gun. It also doubles as a backup battery pack, so it's always charged and ready. It's ideal for those who want discreet defense without carrying something bulky. And the best part? No one suspects your phone case is packing voltage. If someone gets too close, flip the safety and zap. It's modern self-defense built for everyday life. Need mobile protection with an armor upgrade? The BurnA Shield. Bulletproof backpack insert slides into your everyday backpack or laptop bag, instantly converting it into a level 3A ballistic shield. It's lightweight, thin, and fits in almost any bag. In a worst-case scenario, you can use your backpack to cover vital areas and escape safely. Ideal for students, travelers, or professionals who want that extra layer of defense without looking tactical. And finally, the BurnA SD Pepper Launcher Kit. This is one of the most trusted and legal non-lethal defense weapons out there. It looks and feels like a real firearm, but it fires chemical irritant projectiles, including pepper, tear gas, and kinetic rounds. It's got no recoil, no background checks, and is legal in most states. With laser sights, an ergonomic grip, and fast reloads, it's the ultimate less lethal home defense tool that actually feels tactical and reliable. Whether you keep it by your bedside or take it on the road, it's serious peace of mind in your hand. That's all 25 of the most powerful, creative, and high-tech home defense gadgets available right now. Whether you're protecting your home, your family, or just your peace of mind, these tools have your back. Thanks for watching Smart Gadgets Picks. Want more jaw-dropping defense tech? Hit that like button, subscribe, and check out the gadget links in the description below. We've got everything covered.